Collagen after 40 changed my mornings. Tiny habits helped my joints first. Science explains collagen support simply. Some foods may not fit everyone. Talk to your doctor if unsure. Watch how your body responds weekly. Small steps today matter tomorrow. Collagen after 40 became personal for me the day my knees cracked while climbing stairs. I laughed at first. Then I noticed my skin looked dull after long nights of editing videos. Even my shoulders felt stiff after carrying grocery bags. I thought aging suddenly arrived with a megaphone and zero manners. According to the National Institutes of Health, collagen naturally declines with age. Mayo Clinic also explains that lifestyle habits like smoking, high sugar intake, and poor sleep may affect skin and joint health. That scared me a little, but it also pushed me to make simple changes instead of chasing miracle products. Collagen works like a support structure inside the body. It helps skin stay firm. It supports joints, bones, tendons, and connective tissues. After 40, the body still makes collagen, but production slows down. That is why recovery can feel slower than before. Even getting out of bed starts sounding like popcorn. My first mistake was buying expensive powders without changing my habits. I mixed collagen into coffee while eating junk food at midnight. My body probably looked at me like, seriously. Then I started focusing on foods that support collagen production naturally. The first was bone broth. It contains amino acids like glycine and proline that the body uses in collagen formation. I drank a small warm cup 3 times a week. Not magical, just comforting and consistent. The second food was eggs, especially the whites. They contain proline and other building blocks linked to collagen support. I usually added boiled eggs to breakfast instead of sugary snacks. Simple switch. Big difference in energy. Then came vitamin C-rich foods. This part matters more than most people realize. According to research published in Nutrients Journal, vitamin C helps the body synthesize collagen properly. Without enough vitamin C, collagen production becomes less efficient. I added oranges, kiwi, strawberries, and bell peppers during the week. My grocery cart became more colorful and slightly more expensive. My wallet still complains sometimes. Fatty fish also helped my routine. Salmon and sardines provide protein and healthy fats that support skin and overall health. The omega-3 fats may help reduce inflammation around joints according to studies discussed by Harvard Health. I noticed less stiffness after workouts when I consistently included fish twice weekly. Another underrated habit was reducing excess sugar. High sugar intake may contribute to collagen damage through a process called glycation. This process can weaken collagen fibers over time. That explained why my late-night dessert marathons were not helping my skin at all. Painful truth. Delicious truth. Sleep also changed everything. During deep sleep, the body repairs tissues more efficiently. When I slept 5 hours, my skin looked tired and my joints felt heavier. After improving my sleep schedule, recovery felt smoother within weeks. Hydration matters too. Collagen fibers work better in a properly hydrated environment. I kept a water bottle near my desk instead of pretending coffee counted as water. Apparently, 6 coffees in hope is not a hydration strategy. Moderation is important. Some people may react differently to certain foods due to allergies or medical conditions. Others may need different protein levels depending on kidney health or medications. Balance matters more than extreme diets. To track progress, I paid attention to small daily signs. Less stiffness in the morning. Smoother skin texture. Improved recovery after walking. I even kept simple weekly notes on sleep, water intake, and meals. Tiny observations helped me stay motivated without obsessing over perfection. The biggest lesson surprised me. Rebuilding healthy habits felt more powerful than chasing fast results. There was no overnight transformation. Just steady improvements that made daily life easier and more comfortable. Drop a comment with your routine. Your future body will thank you.